Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 10 to the power of 3 minus x equals 1. So whenever we're solving exponential equations similar to this one, we always want to make sure that our bases here, in this case 10 and 1, we want to make them the same. Because let's just say I have a to the power of x, and this is equal to a to the power of y. Well, we know that these two terms are equal to each other or the same, and we can see that both of them have a base of a. Well, in this case, doesn't that mean that their exponents are the same as well? Because if they're different, then that means this would be wrong. They can't be different because their base is already the same, meaning their exponents have to be the same as well. So in this case, if we were to change the bases so that they're the same, then we would know that the exponents are the same as well, so we could just set the exponents equal to each other and solve for x. So we want to make the bases of 10 and 1 equal each other. Well, that means that we have to change one of the bases. And we can't really change 10 to be equal to 1, so why don't we change 1? Well, 10 to the power of what equals 1? 0, right? Because anything to the power of 0 actually equals 1. So we should change 1 to 10 to the power of 0. And this still equals 10 to the power of 3 minus x. Now notice how these two bases are the same, just like this one. And think of 3 minus x as x and the 0 as y. Because these two bases are the same, then that means that these two exponents are the same as well. So we can just ignore the bases for now and just set 3 minus x equal to 0. And now, as you can see, we've created a simple equation using our method. So now, to get the value of x, we're going to have to make it go to the right side. So we're going to add x on both sides. And these two cancel out, so we're left with 3 equals 0 plus x is x. So now we have our value for x. Now why don't we go ahead and plug it in to our equation. So this gives us 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 equals x. So 3 equals 1. 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 is 0. Equals 1, and remember, anything to the power of 0 equals 1, so 10 to the power of 0 equals 1, so we have 1 equals 1, and this is right, meaning our answer of x equals 3 is right. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 5 to the power of 100 minus 5 to the power of 99. And what we're first going to do is we're going to expand this a little bit. Why don't we change the 5 to the power of 100 into 5 to the power of 99 plus 1? All we're doing is changing this exponent 100 into 99 plus 1, which is all completely legal. And we're still subtracting this with 5 to the power of 99. We're not changing anything with that. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to use an important property of exponents. Let's say we have a to the power of m plus n. A property of exponents, an important property of exponents, states that this is also written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Because remember, when we're multiplying exponents with the same bases, we add the exponents together and keep the base. And we're essentially reversing this when we're using this. So let's convert 5 to the power of 99 plus 1 into 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1. And we're still subtracting this with 5 to the power of 99. All right, so now that we have this, what we're going to do is, because we have two 5 to the power of 99s, why don't we factor that out? We're going to factor out 5 to the power of 99. So we're going to do 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1 divided by 5 to the power of 99 is simply just 5 to the power of 1 minus 5 to the power of 99 divided by 5 to the power of 99 is simply 1. Now, 5 to the power of 1 is just 5, so this is essentially asking 5 minus 1, which is 4. So we have 4 times 5 to the power of 99. And this is actually the most we can simplify it with a human, because to find the exact answer of this, I mean, not even an actual calculator could do that. We would have to use a scientific calculator. So this is the most exact answer we can do.